Good afternoon, everyone. Meteorologist Michael Scanlon here from the WRAL Weather Center. It is hot out there. It is really hot. I was walking in with a jacket and sweating. Currently, we have the AC on in here, so it is much cooler inside than outside. However, we've set high temperature records all across the state, North and South Carolina. 83 was the record in Raleigh, officially 83 in Fayetteville. We got up to 81 in Greensboro. That hasn't quite updated yet. And we got up to the upper 70s in Asheville and Charlotte as well. Set some records in South Carolina. It has been hot. Looking at there's a bird right there by the sky cam. Check that out. Look at that. It is warm in Raleigh. You see that nice orange hue? And part of that is because the sun is beginning to set now at this time, but it's hot out there. And we're looking at the current temperature, still 80 degrees, even at this time of day, about 5 o'clock p.m. Winds from the west-southwest at 15 miles per hour, aiding that hot temperature. And as we look at the dew point as well, the dew point temperature is 55 degrees, currently 1 degree warmer than our normal high temperature for today, or average high temperature for today, 42% relative humidity. And temperature 80 in Raleigh, 80 down in Fayetteville, a little bit cooler over by the coast, 79 in New Bern, 79 in Elizabeth City. As you have more moisture, it kind of hinders the temperature getting up as high as it does in drier areas. Wind gusts 29 in Raleigh, 28 in Fayetteville, 20 out in Asheboro. It's been a windy day today ahead of the front, and it's going to continue to be a windy day or windy night as we have that front passing. So you can currently see the front is over eastern Tennessee. It's going to be moving across the mountains around, or right now, coming into the central North Carolina around dinner time here. And as we look in the future cast, scattered showers across the central Piedmont, Sandhills. It's going to be continuing to progress with scattered showers. Again, maybe even an isolated thunderstorm throughout the evening, and it'll be over by the coast. We'll have clearing skies this evening in central North Carolina, and overnight tonight and all day tomorrow, behind that front, clearing skies. It's going to be really nice weather again. Cooler, though, as we look at what we're going to have tonight, 41 degrees. That's what we're saying. The evening showers possible as we have this front moving through. Clearing late, northwest wind, 10 to 15 miles an hour. It's going to feel cool out there, and tomorrow morning it's going to be cool as well, as we're going to have temperatures in the low 40s tomorrow morning. So you might want to have a jacket for your child tomorrow morning at the bus stop. Sunny skies, cooler temperatures, and breezy conditions also will persist. Tomorrow we have a high looking in the upper 50s around the area. Might hit that 60 mark in the southern Sandhills, but may not get there as well because, if you notice above me here, 10 to 15 mile an hour winds with 25 gusts from the northwest, meaning it's going to be a chilly day tomorrow. Even though it's going to be getting up close to that 60 mark, it's going to feel colder than it actually is. Looking at the week ahead, it's going to be warming up a little bit between today and tomorrow. Going to have another front moving through on Wednesday that's going to cool things off a little bit. And then next weekend, we should see these beautiful temperatures again.